how to import an NMR spectra from the email. First things first, you'll go to the Google inbox. In the Donahue group, we sort everything over here on the side by your 2 or 3 initials. You will click the appropriate one and find your latest spectra, click the email, and then press the download button. You will notice that it downloads over here, and eventually you will see a black box from TopSpin pop up on the screen, like that. From there, you will click this little globe icon right down here that looks like it has been skewered by a spear. You will then, on this side, scroll all the way to the top until you find the guest folder. You will minimize and then maximize to refresh it. From there, you will be able to scroll down the side until you find the file notebook number you've just downloaded, at which point you can begin integration.